Tigers are the largest wild cats in the world, known for their strength, agility, and striking orange fur with black stripes. These powerful predators can grow up to 3 meters long and weigh over 300 kilograms. With their sharp claws, strong jaws, and excellent night vision, they are expert hunters, often preying on deer, wild boars, and even crocodiles. Unlike lions, tigers prefer to live and hunt alone. They are also great swimmers and often cool off in rivers and lakes. However, despite their strength, tigers are endangered due to habitat destruction and illegal hunting. Today, less than 4,000 tigers remain in the wild. We must protect these magnificent creatures before it's too late. Every effort counts in preserving their natural habitat and ensuring their survival for future generations.